Welcome guys, let me get this situated first. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit too high for you guys to see. I don't know if you guys can see right here. We'll be replacing a fuel filter. Okay, I'm gonna get right here all cleaned up. So yeah guys, this is a 2006 Volvo XC90. The fuel filter is located under the rear passenger side. That would be your right hand side to the back, just right before you get to the rear wheel. So I think this is a 8mm. I think it's an 8mm bolt. So I'm gonna loosen it first before I go ahead and disconnect the lines. I'm getting some slippers here. Probably I need a more tighter. This one can work, guys. Yeah. Oh, what? See, what? This one is broken right there. So I don't think it's gonna bear the pressure. But we can try it. It's worth a try. Let's try it before we rule it out. I think I'm gonna need a brake bar. Oh, it did it. Did it, guys. I'm gonna fix this properly so you guys can see. Yeah, so it did it, even though the this here it's about to give out, like it's old. But right here it's coming off, so we're good, because I think it's only there it goes. You see, it just releases it. I'm glad you guys are seeing this firsthand, so you know what will happen or what might happen. So it's like it's in one bracket thing here. Okay, what I let it stay right here so I don't hang it on the line, so I don't pressure the line. So anyway, all that dirt that's falling down, I knock it off. Remember guys, this is the 2006 Volvo XC90. I'm changing the fuel filter, not the fuel pump, fuel filter. There guys, so I was trying to use a tool to do this, but let's see if I can do it without. And again guys, I might not be wearing no gloves, but please get yourself protected. Wear some gloves, at least a mask to protect yourself from the gas fume and stuff like that. Alright, let's do this. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's see. It's kind of a little tight. It's been years of sitting on here. I'm trying to take it off, but just, oh, it's coming off guys. It's coming off. It's coming off. It's coming off. I don't know. Probably gas is gonna rush out. I'm not sure. Let's see. Now you can slide this off guys, right here. Let me get this side. Then some gas coming out of this as well. I don't even know how old is this. Gosh. So guys, I was also doing a fuel pressure. I was also doing a fuel pressure sensor that came from right here. I got a code for it, so I'm like, let me just get it out of the way and deal with it. So yeah, that fuel pressure sensor needed to be replaced, so here it is. So here it is, guys. Let's see if we ordered the right part. You know how we like to do parts check. This is the new part. This is the old part. So they look pretty similar. Yeah, they look pretty solid. So let's go ahead, put it on. There's nothing much to do to just get it on the side right here. Make sure you line it up right. Line it up right, and yeah guys, this brand is Bosch. It's Bosch, so yeah, now I'm gonna be in trouble. Yeah, because after taking that out, I don't think I secured it. Don't think I secured it, guys. I did okay, it's right here. I did secure it. It's right over here. Got it, guys. So I think it's a T20 or T25. It's these type of bolts you put in there. So as you can see, guys, today I only did, let's see if I can find, okay, so you don't have to use any power tool, guys. You can just use something simple, but I'm using my power impact gun here. Just take your time. Okay, I don't need no. Okay, that's on. Then you just go ahead and you plug the wire back on right here. So yeah guys, we replace the fuel pressure sensor right there on we just did that right there. That's the fuel filter. Okay, so hopefully everything works out well. We don't know if the car is starting yet. And yeah guys, stay tuned for the radiator video. We're about to do a video on the radiator. So yeah, we're just getting some stuff checked out, sorted out. Okay, yeah guys, stay tuned. Do remember, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I said the radiator video is coming out next. Radiator. I said it like that. Anyway, it's coming out next, guys. So stay tuned.